Okay, hello everybody. So for the map activity, I'm going to kind of walk you through the examples and how to create your own map of your sixth grade year. So if you love to draw, this would be a great activity for you to do. Again, you're only selecting one of these activities from this whole menu. And you can draw it in your ISN. You could draw it on a separate piece of paper you have lying around the house. You could, if you have a big canvas or a poster board or whatever you have, you can do it on there, and then you're just going to take a picture and send it to your teacher to show that you completed this assignment. But the map is going to be kind of a outline of, your journey as a sixth grade student. These are just options for you to consider to kind of get some ideas, but you do not have to use these. You can come up with your own map. But one option is to do a map like this, where you kind of show maybe your day-to-day routine. So this is a map of Odysseus's journey. Do you guys remember that book? We read that this semester. And so you would kind of just draw all the areas, maybe, science class, and then history would be the same class, so art or whatever. And then, if you title number one, let's say number one, your first class is English, maybe you write a memory from English, and where it says Troy right here, you would write the memory. And then after, maybe you go to PE class, and so that's all the way across campus. And so you would write number two, PE, and maybe you write a memory from PE. And you just kind of go throughout your day as a sixth grade student and kind of reflect on what are my most prominent memories from. So it's not just one singular day, it's the whole year, but kind of just your journey on how you go through a day and reflect on your memories. Or you can interpret it however you want. Another option is to kind of do like seed memories. So you would draw an outline of Kennard, and then, in those areas, you would kind of just write, oh, this is, obviously no one broke their arm, but if you broke your arm on the Gaga Ball pit, you'd kind of write that. And you're just kind of writing a bunch of little seed memories, like, oh, I remember this, I remember that, I remember this. Over here, you could write, all your best friends, and just kind of all these little memories along the campus of Kennard. So yeah, just be creative with it. Hopefully this document is just to help you brainstorm some ideas. You can combine the two. You can do whatever you want. Just, take this time to draw and be creative and reflect on all of the favorite times you had at Kennard and specifically from your sixth grade year. Okay?